Hi children, welcome to today's EVS class. Today we'll start a new block children. Before starting the block, there is a simple question for you. You tell me children, there is the one thing which is very important for our life, without which we can't able to live. In a day, we use it for so many things and we can find it surrounding us. What is that children? So what is that one thing without which we can't live our life? Very good. That is the water. So that is why it's so important. Water is very important for our life. That's why we are learning so many things about water. So even this block is going to be about water only. So ice, water and steam. That's what is going to be our new block. So now you all know that how water is so important for us. So important, water is very important. Where can we find water children? So without which we can't live. Why we need water? Why do we need water? Why water is so important for us? Because we need water for, first one is drinking, and we need it for cooking, we need it for bathing, we need it for cleaning, washing, growing plants. So many things we learned already. Even that was the previous lessons. Finally project also uses of water only. So you all know that how important and how useful is water, and that is why we are able to live on the earth as water is available. So now where do we find the water? Even you learnt about that also. Water is found as groundwater and surface water. So as a child, where you have seen surrounding you, where have you seen water? Yes, you might have seen in the river sometime when you are traveling. You might have seen in the lakes. You might have seen in the borewell. From the borewell how they are pulling out the water. So water is found everywhere and also it is very useful. This is the thing which we all of us know. So now some more important things about water we will learn. See here children, here is a bottle. Inside there is water. So this water I want to transfer it to this glass. So what can I do? I can open and I can pour it. So pouring. So when I pour it, the water will flow. Like this it will flow. No children? Yes. So now what I have done, I have taken this water and I kept in the freezer. So you can also do. So when I keep it in the freezer, what will happen children after some time? You can see that water changing in like this. What is this? Very good. This is the ice. But this one, will it flow? When it is in the freezer only, it will not flow. It will be hard. Is it like water? It is hard. Then when you keep it outside for some time, you will see that the water slowly it is changing into, the ice is slowly changing into water. So this water, if I take it and I will boil it. You know boiling also. So when you boil, what will happen? Slowly you can see the steam coming up. The same water you see, we are able to see it in the three forms. So that is what we are going to learn today. Three forms of water. What are they? Just now I have shown you three forms of water. All are water only, but they are in three forms. First one you have seen, it was the water. And how was it? It was flowing. No children. And next, the second one which you saw before was the ice, and it was hard and it was not flowing. And when they boil this water, it will change into steam. See, or else if you fill the same glass in the direct sunlight, if I keep it and you mark that how much water is there, you leave it for complete one day. After some time when you see, there will be some amount of water has become less. How it has happened children? Because it has evaporated. Yes, because of the heat of the sun. So water can change into water vapor. When we boil it, we can see the steam. Or it is in the form of water vapor surrounding us in the air. Water is a form of water vapor. Yes, so that is also flowing. That can also spread everywhere fastly. So this water which is flowing is what it is children? It is the liquid. Yes, and which is ice and hard, that is the solid state of the water. And steam or water vapor both are same, that is in the gaseous state. It's a gaseous form, gas form of the water. So now water can exist in three different forms. So already you all said that water, where do you find the water? You can find in the well, river, pond, in your tap it is coming, maybe from the river or from the well. where we can find ice children. So this one ice cube, what I have shown you, it is I have kept it in the freezer and we have made it as ice. But generally in the nature, where we can find out the ice? Can you know? Yeah, do you know? Yes, they are found as glaciers, as icebergs. They are found in the nature also, like how river all are from the nature. Same way, ice is also found in the nature as icebergs and the glaciers on the mountains, snow-covered mountains. Yes. Now, when we learnt about this in the houses lesson, then where we can find this water vapor? Water vapor is surrounding us only, we can't see because it is gaseous form and it is in the air. When you are heating something, you can see the steam coming. But water vapor is present in surrounding us in the air, which we can't see. So all these three forms are found in the nature. So let us learn more about this children. Your water can exist in three forms. What are they? Water, ice and steam. So now where you can find water in this nature? In the rivers, in the lakes, ponds and all. So where we can find the ice in the nature? In the glaciers and icebergs you can see. So where you can see the steam, it is as water vapor. It is present as water vapor in air. Forms of water, ice and steam. So now in your textbook you can see the beautiful pictures given showing where we can find the ice, glaciers, iceberg and also the river, ocean, lake. And see here children, we see steam or water vapor coming when it is present. But even in a hot water spring sea, that is also, there also you can see the steam coming out and we can see that. As such in the air, water vapor what is present that we can't see. But steam, we can, when the hot water is there, steam is coming out as in the hot water spring. And when we are heating water, these two we can see. So now, this is available. Water is available in all the three forms. Now, you all know that how important it is and where it is found also. Let us see now by doing a simple activity to understand the three forms. So what you do after the class is over, you take the water in a bowl and first you write that bowl water is in, how it can flow and it is in the liquid form. Then you keep it in the freezer and leave it for 2 to 3 hours and again you take it, same bowl you take it and you see that how water has changed, that is what form and how hard it is, how it is and what happens to it when you keep it out, why it is changing. It is by heat, because of the heat outside it is changing into water, that also you can observe. And when your mother is boiling or cooking, you ask her to show you the steam, and that is the third form of the water. Yes children, I hope you have understood the three forms of water. Let us see what is given in our workbook. Please take open. Now we have started the volume 3, water around us. Please page number 5 in your workbook. Page 5, volume 3, S1 of block 17. Please write the date children. And first question you see, why is water important for us? Because we need water for drinking, cooking, bathing, washing, etc. That is why it is important. You can start like that. It is because we need water. You can make it as a proper statement also. Now you see children, look at the picture. How many forms of water can you see here? Name them. So what are you able to see there? Are you able to see the ice children? Yes. And are you able to see the water? Yeah. So we are able to see two forms. How many forms are there? So first you can write two forms and you are able to see two forms of water. What are they? Water and ice. Yes, don't you? Water and ice. Now, how are they different? Ice is water can flow. Ice is hard. If you want, you can write it is solid. Water is liquid. This is solid. That also you can add up. And you have to learn all these spellings together. Now, third question. Name the forms of water. A1. What can make warm juice cold? You want to make a warm juice cold. What you have to add to it? Very good. Ice. You can write that. B1. What comes out when eggs are boiling? Very good. Steam. What do you see in a bucket of very hot water? What do you see, children, in the bucket of hot water coming? Steam. So this third one you can complete on your own. So now when you are name the forms of water they are asking. So just you have to write ice, water or what thing can complete that. So now all this page number 5, please complete and take open your textbook and you read this part, page number 106. Very simple part only it is given, that you read and also you will complete that S1 and some spellings. So after completing this, you have to learn some new words. You have today's words are there. So that key words I am writing up. You will write it down, note it down, and you will learn the spellings, children. So the key words for today's class, which you have to learn the spelling. Water, I hope you all know the spelling. Ice spelling you please learn. Steam you learn, children. Then iceberg, glacier, hot water, spring. So that picture is there in our textbook, hot water, spring. Other than that river and all, I hope you know that even that also you can, river, stream and all, you can learn these spellings very well. Even apart from that you can add solid, liquid, gas also, and see solid, liquid, gas, even that spellings also you learn. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 spellings only you can learn nicely and complete the S1 reading textbook. And that activity, as I told you, keep it in the freezer and see that how the separate two bowls you can keep, or same bowls you can keep, A water and B ice, like that you can keep, observe and note down in your EVS notebook. And the workbook pics and the activity pic you can send me, children. Let us meet in the next class, children. Bye bye, children.